I don't know if you can hear this. I just started to boost up a video because suddenly it is hailing like mad. Holy crap. Let me get this really quick. Oh man, did you hear that? Holy crap, look at this. Look how freaking big it is. Look at how big the pieces are. These pieces are huge. This just started out of nowhere. I don't know if you can hear me over this, but this just started out of nowhere. I'm just sitting in my room listening to, watching a movie, and just suddenly this. Holy crap. Ah! This is ridiculous. I gotta oh, yikes. I don't know if I should be doing anything to, protect the house. I'm assuming I'm fine, but I mean, plants outside and stuff. Dang. Actually, it looks like it's... No, not really. I don't know if you can see it pretty well. I can see it really good. Dang. It's hitting this window over here. Looks like it's stopping now. Man, that was ridiculous. Look at these little pellets here. Look at the size of those. These are massive. Like I said, this just started out of nowhere. Had to get it on some type of video. Maybe I'll post this up. Jeez! Man, that was ridiculous. Anyway, hope you guys are having a good Wednesday. It is a Wednesday, August 4th. So that's when this is going on. Sheesh. Well, say the least, I'm glad I'm not pushing carts. Whoa! Man, this is ludicrous. Looks like it's starting to turn into hail or rain. Man, look at this. More. I gotta show you so much more. Look at that. It's like snow. And in the yard. And that's the street, I guess. I'm wondering if I'm gonna post this without editation. Because I haven't been. That was kind of really pathetic. Man, that was crazy. It looks like it's subsiding and just turning into rain now. Wow, that was fun. I'm glad you guys were there to share the adventure. So yeah, I was just watching Avatar. I don't know if you can tell what that is. Focus. Yeah. Alrighty. Have a good rest of your week. And I'll see if I don't post up another video again in the future. Alrighty.